call me an angel of love and of light, a being of goodness and heavenly fire, sent out from God's kingdom to guide you right in paths where your spirits may mount and aspire. You say that I glow like a star on its course, like a ray from the altar, a spark from the source. Now listen to my answer, let all the world hear it. I speak unafraid what I know to be true. A pure, faithful love is the creative spirit which makes women angels. I live in but you. We are bound soul to soul by life's holiest laws. If I am an angel, why, you are the cause. As my ship skims the sea, I look up from the deck. Fear firm at the wheel shines love's beautiful form. And shall I curse the bark that last night went to wreck, by the pilot abandoned to darkness and storm? My craft is no stauncher, she too had been lost. Had the wheelman deserted or slept at his post, I lay down the wealth of my soul at your feet. No desperate creature who walks in the street so many men with heart riches have done. This flame from God's altar, this holy love flame that burns like sweet incense forever for you, might now be a wild conflagration of shame. Had you tortured my heart or been base or untrue? For angels and devils are cast in one mold, till love guides them upward or downward I hold. I tell you, the women who make fervent wives and sweet tender mothers, had fate been less fair, are the women who might have abandoned their lives to the madness that springs from and ends in despair. As the fire on the hearth which sheds brightness around, neglected may level the walls to the dwelling. must thank your worth for what I grew to be. For the demon lurked under the angel in me.